An old song comes on, and out of nowhere your chest goes warm and a little achy at the same time. You're not sad, you're not happy, you're somewhere in between. That sweet, tender ache has a name: nostalgia. And for a long time, people thought it was bad for you. It turns out the opposite is true. A song, a smell, an old photo, the taste of something from childhood. Tiny things crack open a whole world of memories we forgot we were carrying. Smell is the strongest trigger of all. It takes a shortcut straight into the parts of the brain that store emotion and memory. So why does remembering the good times feel a little sad? Because in the same moment, you know that time is gone. The sweetness and the loss arrive together. But here's the surprising part researchers found. That bittersweet ache isn't a problem to fix. It's actually doing real good work for you. First, nostalgia makes life feel meaningful. Looking back at the people and moments that shaped you reminds you that your story matters. Second, it connects us. Most nostalgic memories aren't about things, they're about people. So remembering them quietly reminds us we are loved and we belong. In one study, most people's fondest memories featured other people, almost never possessions. Nostalgia is really a story about belonging. Third, it warms us up when we feel low. People naturally reach for nostalgia most when they feel lonely, cold, or a bit lost. It's the mind's built-in comfort blanket. It even works on lonely days, like an internal hug from your own past. The warm feeling is real, and it genuinely lifts your mood. And nostalgia doesn't just look backward. Feeling that your past mattered makes you more hopeful that your future can matter too. So how do you use nostalgia well, without getting stuck in it? A few gentle habits make all the difference. 1. Savor it on purpose. Keep an old playlist or a box of photos, and when you need a lift, let yourself feel the whole warm, achy wave. 2. Share the memory. Nostalgia grows when you say "remember" when out loud. The warmth doubles when someone remembers it with you. 3. Use it to make new ones. Let a good memory remind you what you love, then go do a little more of it today. So the next time an old song catches you off guard, don't shake it off. That bittersweet ache is your mind telling you something good. This mattered, you were loved, you still are. Nostalgia isn't living in the past. It's carrying the warmth of it forward. Hold the good memories close and let them light the way ahead.